What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and I am back again with another custom video. This one's gonna be a little different. I'm not gonna show you guys like the whole process. I'm just gonna do like cut it up just so you guys can see what it looks like after I do everything. And the sneaker I'll be working on today is the More Than an Athlete Lebron 17s. Let me just play with my lighting real quick. As you can see, it's blue. It's like a real nice looking blue. And what I'm going to be doing with these sneakers, let me stop flicking it around, brighten me back up. What I'm going to be doing with these sneakers is changing this upper to purple. And I already did one sneaker. You might not be able to tell the difference on camera, but you can tell a little bit just with the lighting. Let me play with it a little more. Oh, you can tell this is blue, this is purple. In person, you can tell a lot like more that it's two different colors. But yeah, that's going to be what's going to be happening today. Changing these blue, well, changing this blue to this purple. The most pain in the butt thing that I had to do during this whole process of changing this purple was putting the laces back in. Nike needs to find a better way to do a better lacing system to make it easier. But without any further ado, I'm gonna start the process of changing this. What I'm gonna be doing, the things I'm gonna be using is white paint, of course, with a mix of GAC with my heat gun, a couple coats of white paint. I'm gonna spray an adhesion promoter over it, a couple more coats of white paint. Then I'm gonna spray the purple paint that I have. I'm going to tape up the midsole, as you saw on that. I'm taping up the whole midsole. I'm taping up the tongue. So those are the two things that I'll be leaving the default color. But without any further ado, I'm going to start painting this. Oh, I didn't even change this back. I'm going to start painting this. Got my little box back there that I can put the sneaker in just so the fumes and the particles of the paint don't go everywhere. So this is going to be the first cut of the video. So be right back. Alright, so I just did the first coat of white. So as you can see, it makes a big difference. So I'm going to do 2 more coats of white. Then I'm going to lay the purple down on the sneaker. Then spray it with a finisher and we're going to be all done. So this one's definitely a nice and easy custom compared to some of the other ones I did, like the Grinch Kyries or those Warhawk Kyries. But yeah, one step at a time. Alright, so I just wanted to record this part real quick. As you can see, the sneaker is now like pretty much white. Did a couple coats of it. You can still see the blue underneath it, but that's going to be fine because we're covering it with purple. But probably do one more coat of white paint. Then I'm going to lay the purple, and what I'll be using for the purple is the purple jacquard. Of course, mixed with the JC 900. And should be done. So at the end of the day, I'll just show you guys again. It's gonna look good. See how purple this looks? So changing that, and it's gonna look like this at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna dive back into this sneaker. Oh, there's my concentrator. But I'm gonna dive back into the sneaker so we can finish this up and show you guys the final product. Thanks for bearing with me. So be right back. And when I come back, it should be purple. Alright, peace. Alright, so after a couple coats of the purple paint, just gonna let this dry overnight. Then I'm gonna spray it because as you see it's shiny. So I'm gonna wait till it dries overnight. Then I'm gonna spray a matte finisher on it to get rid of that shine. So well, that's the process. That's the step we're at right now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so hold on. Don't mind the lighting, but it's been a couple days, right? Since I started these, just because I don't work on them like every single day. Just get around to it when I'm done with work and everything. But got a notification on my phone that I hit 4,000 subs. So I was like, what should I do at 4,000 subs? And I started thinking, I was like, nothing. But I'm gonna do a giveaway at 5,000 subs. So I don't know what the giveaway is gonna be yet, but yes, I'm gonna do a giveaway at 5,000 subs. So best way to follow up on what the giveaway is gonna be about, or what it's gonna be for, is just subscribe. Again, I apologize for the lighting, but yes, I'm doing a giveaway at 5,000 subs. I just hit 4,000. Thank you guys so much. And the giveaway is probably gonna be something like some hydro dip film, maybe like some paint sets or something like that. Haven't decided yet. Let me know in the comments though, like what do you think what would you accept if you happen to pick your own giveaway? But yeah, back to the video. Well, not back right now, but because I gotta go run around and do some stuff. But as you can see, the sneakers is pretty much done. Just gotta take the tape off the bottom, and we good. We good. But woo, I'll be right back. Well, whenever I get around to it. All right, just like that, I am back. The sneakers. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh. Play with this a little bit. I was getting blinded by that. There we go. All right, and just like that, the sneakers are done. Not a big, well, it is a big change, but it wasn't like one of the detailed changes that I did in any of my previous videos. All I did was change the upper from a blue to a purple. And the purple matches perfectly with my Lakers jerseys, as you can see. But yeah, this was a simple custom. Let me know what you guys think in the description. I like how these came out. I feel like they should have came out purple in the first place, even though like maybe that uninterrupted thing, maybe their color is blue and white, but purple was better. Makes it look more like a PE for LeBron. Yeah, so just like that. Oh, let me hold these up. Just like that, sneakers are done, sprayed. Follow steps, and you could do the same. You could do another color, do red, blue, leave them blue, like whatever you want to do. But just let me know what you guys think in the description down below. And yeah, that's gonna be about it. And again, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway at 5,000 subs. So definitely subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. Drop likes and all that stuff. It's not gonna be like I explained it without trying to sound like a dick. It's not gonna be like some of the other giveaways. I was like, oh, follow 10,000 other people and do all this other stuff. Nah, it's my giveaway, so it's just gonna be like when I pick you guys, I'm gonna make sure you're subscribed to me, and that's pretty much gonna be it. And like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna be giving away yet. Maybe some hydro dip stuff, maybe just some paint sets, some brushes and stuff, maybe even both. Like, you never know. I'm pretty generous. So also just let me know what you guys think I should give away, or maybe maybe I just thought of something. Maybe I should give away paint stuff, hydro dip stuff, and a pair of sneakers, so you could just do it on your own, do it yourself. But yeah, you never know. Just keep an eye out on what's going down the pipeline. Again, thanks for watching the video. Here are the sneakers again. Turned them purple, and I can't wait to wear these. This is my first LeBron 17, I think. Yeah. I think they came out pretty well. I have some other stuff, other sneakers going down the pipeline that I can't wait. Like some hydro dip jokers. It's just a lot. It's a lot. But again, thank all you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate all the comments, the likes, and everything. I definitely try to read all of them. Thanks again. Till next time. Peace.